At sisimula nitong ating fourth set. Binalik na si April Jose.
Also a different lineup.
With Ivy Remulla there in front. Banatikla now getting it across. Here's Ivy. Dug up there by Sue. Ruby. Banatikla trying to misdirect and it works.
So far, very steady ang laro ng Smart Maynilad. To think, hindi pa naipapasok isa sa mga best setters natin dito sa Shakey's Feeling na si Jem Ferrer.
Jem Ferrer, that's correct. And now Charo Soriano trying to keep the winning streak alive para dito sa kupunan ng Smart Maynilad. Ivy, across. Combination play, Sue Roses, April Jose. Jen Reyes looking for Micah Morada. Ruby. Here is Maru Banatikla. Ando naman si Phil Kainglet. Jose. Oh, and Micah took her eye off the ball.
Now these free points, of course, ito yung mga gusto ng Smart Maynilad. Easy points.
At saka deflating din yan. Long rally, matatalo ka.
Importante yun, di ba? If it's a long rally, you want to win that one.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Yan, no rally required. Kasi si Charo Soriano nakakuha ng ace. So again, magandang panimula ng Smart dito sa ating fourth set. Soriano. No relation to Pau. Here's Jose. And Micah Morada. Here's Coco Wang. Melissa going back in the game. Oh, wow. Great dig there coming from Phil Kainglet. And Micah Morada will miss.
Morada has been on and off. For every point na nakukuha niya, meron ding isang puntos na naibibigay sa kalaban.
Or an error din, especially sa kanyang serve. 4-1, Smart Maynilad. Net spikers up by 3. Here is Maru Banatikla. April Jose on the back set. Ivy. Yes, finally. First point of the game for Ate Ivy, who is not broadcasting anymore. Mas trip niya mag-volleyball.
Sayang daw yung ano eh.
Inuubos na lang daw niya yung natitira. Yan ang sinasabi ni Ate Ivy. Eh marami pa yan. Kung si Ivy yan, natitira. Ewan ko si Ann, tingnan mo, next year maglalaro na si Ann Remulla.
Pwede mo water girl.
Water girl ka dyan. Pwede pa, nagpa-opera ka na. Here is Morada. Oh! Took her eye off the ball!
Sometimes you're wondering, you know, errors like these shouldn't be happening anymore.
In this level, Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. And for that, Morada sits down. Panay Mercado returns. And Coach Oliver Almagro had no words for Morada. April Jose. And Ivy. Oh, Ivy again. Dalawa na. So baka ito yung sinasabi natin magandang bunot. Ikaw yung marami.
Ako one kasi I graduated.
Alam ko sabihin mo, si ate isa lang, ako dalawa.
Tag-isa kami.
Tag-isa. Okay. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. 6'3". Nacela Nika Guliman. Jen Reyes. Jose. Kainglet, nananahimik na after that first set explosion. Soltones.
Soltones was right on top of the blockers.
And sometimes talaga it all boils down from the setting na nagagawa rito. Nika Guliman once again. Short serve this time, fielded by Penetrante. Jose, across, Phil Kainglet. Still no noise from Phil Kainglet since the first set. Soltones, Mercado, Jose running attack. Ay, walang rest back si Ruby. So, M. Penetrante scoring. Si Ruby napako eh, no? Alam mo yung pakiramdam na yun na gusto pumunta ng utak mo doon sa isang lugar.
Pero hindi gumalaw yung paa niya.
Hindi gumalaw yung paa. 7-4. Here's Gohing. De Leon. Soltones. Naghanap ng butas. Quick set ngayon for Coco Wang. Again, masyadong mababa. Sabi ni Coco Wang, taasan mo. Ayan ang gusto niya.
Itong si Wang, ano, trying to play smart.
Right.
But we know that she can attack.
Hindi ko pa nakikita kung umiti yan.
Parang palagi.
Nakakatakot. Mas malaki sa atin yan, ano?
Huwag mo nga awayin.
Pag ginawa, hatawin tayo yan. Balik tayong China. Ruby. Kala niya makakasneaky siya. Eto ngayon si Jose. Kainglet. Coco Wang. Tumira kagad. Soltones. Wang keeping it alive. Kainglet. Pirouette na naman. Yes!
Make something out of that.
Slow-mo natin brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspire Deodorant. It won't let you down. Tingnan naman yung pihit na yan. Yan ang nakukuha ng ballet training.
Na ma-apply mo sa volleyball.
Ma-apply mo sa volleyball yan. And penetrante. Great serve. Kept alive by Ruby. Coco Wang getting it across. Ruby attacking deep once again. April Jose. Phil Kainglet. Free ball. Soltones. Ruby. Back to Soltones. Here's Jose. Kainglet on the open. Trying to drop it again. Banggaan ng mga taga-Smart Maynilad. Charo Soriano turned back by Coco Wang. Eto ngayon si Soltones. Turned back by the net. No. Yes, it is. According to referee Philip Season.
Didn't go over.
He did not. Tabla. 7-all. Nahabol na ng Meralco. Naman minsan yung kasipagan yung kailangan. Yeah, very, very important.
Well, of course, someone has to give, pero talagang makikita natin yung effort of both teams.
Soltones at napako doon si Maneng Mercado, hindi naka-adjust. So Gretchen Soltones puts Smart Maynilad across the first technical timeout line. And for weekly highlights para dito sa ating Shakey's V-League, manood po ng GMA News TV tuwing linggo, 9:30 ng umaga sa GMA News TV All Sport. Free ball given up here by Maruba Natikla. April Jose ngayon going down the middle for Phil Kainglet. Nakabang naman si Ruby De Leon. At si Ruby nakakuha ng black point. Jen Reyes, muntik nang bumagsak si referee Ches Villarreal sa kinaroroonan niya.
Sabi ni Jen, ref, nakaharang.
Kaya na.
Makuha yung bola.
Munti ka na nung sumalpok si Jen Reyes. Yung birthday greetings nga rin ang ginagawa natin. Batiin natin si Catherine, aka Dende of Alipores. Aba, may grupo palang ganun, ano? Maraming fans dyan ni Andre Mundia.
All watching the game.
Yep. A lot of them on live streaming, of course. And if you're watching us on GMA News TV, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Malapit na po kayo magmerienda. Ayan. Ano na? Merienda break.
Dinner time.
Hindi, para sa mga nanonood sa live streaming, yan, malapit dinner time. Pero sa GMA News TV, malapit na merienda.
Merienda.
Oo. 9-all. Pukpukan na naman tayo dito. Coco Wang, umiti ka naman paminsan-minsan, Coco.
She means business.
Business. Well, you know, the foreign players, they go to another country. Business trip ito para sa kanila. Saka na yung bakasyon. And
ball.
Ivy gives it up. Maru. Ay, off the hands of April Jose.
Itong si Maru, we can see the maturity and how she plays. Finding ways to score.
Ruby De Leon. Matalim na naman yung kanyang serve. Oy, April Jose, nalusutan si Banatigli at si Charo. Jose with that serve. Running attack, Sue Roses. At si Sue Roses, unti-unti na namang nagigising.
Itong si Roses, of course, ang top scorer ng Smart Maynilad now with 17 points.
Coming off a 21-point performance in their recent win against the Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Charo, Phil, Jose, Coco Wang. Hindi pa rin umingiti. Matakot eh.
Sa lagay na to, hindi pa pumapalo ng malakas itong si Wang. Most of the points na nakuha niya ngayong larong ito, really well-placed shots.
Again, all 6'3" of her, the 28-year-old from Fresno State University in California. Pero tubong China. Kainglet gets to it. Jose, across now. Oh, nice anticipation by Guliman. It's still alive. Oh! Banggan si Kainglet. At itong si April Jose.
Now, that's a classic case of miscommunication.
So, 12-11. Again, the errors for Meralco. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Running attack. Ruby is there. Gulima now setting up Soltones. And Soltones finds the line. At si Oliver Almadro, nangihina na. Dami niya sinabi kanina eh.
At of course, very crucial ang maipanalo.
Right.
Itong set na ito for them.
Well, to extend this match to a 5th set. Ivy. Rosas keeps it alive. Soltones off the hands of Ivy.
Soltones, very smart outside hitter.
Kaya nga nandito siya smart.
Tama nga. Smart outside hitter mula sa Smart Maynila.
Maagang timeout ang gagastusin dito ni Oliver Almadro. Maru. Bad reception. Easy put away there for Nika Guliman.
If they continue to commit these kinds of errors, mapapadali ang trabaho para dito sa koponan ng Smart Maynila.
Well, Maru didn't have to do too much today. Kainglet. Reyes. Nagkabanggaan na naman sila din ni Paneng. Nika Guliman misjudged the net. At nahiya. Ruby sends it across. Ivy. Phil Kainglet. Pinadaan sa kamay ni Sue. Binuhay pa rin. Here's Sue Roses right now. Ivy. Kainglet. Pinalo. Inaabot yan pa rin ni Gohing. Ay, traffic. Taklo nandun. Natama pa si Ruby sa mukha. Eto ngayon si Jose. Quick set. Penetrante.
Na-distract si Ruby dahil tinamaan. Nagkabanggaan sila dalawa ni Maru. Mas di painful kasi hindi matanggal ni Ruby yung kamay niya sa kanyang pisngi.
Papatingin yan mamaya. And here is, great dig there. Kainglet finds the line.
Good top spin.
And her best friend from 5 years ago, Melissa Gohing, is not happy with herself. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi safe yung kalamangan na kanina na Smart. Eto ngayon, isa na lang ang abante. Mercado. Combination play. Soltones from my Ivy. We are tied at 15.
Well, just what Meralco needs at this point.
Here's De Leon. And Jen Reyes keeping that one alive. Jose. Phil Kainglet. Just like that, Meralco has scored 4 straight points and have taken the lead. We'll be right back. Ang ating schedule sa darating na Biyernes, mga kaibigan, dito po sa San Juan Arena, FEU kontra sa Air Force. Dalawang koponan naghanap ng kanilang unang panalo. 2 p.m. po ang kanilang salpukan at ang debut ng Philippine Navy kontra sa Cagayan Valley Rising Suns at 4 p.m. dito lang po sa arena on Friday. Tinitig na kaya mga numero dyan.
Titignan ko ang ating mga top scorers so far all throughout this match. Siyempre yan, sa Smart Maynila, Roses with 16, Soltones with 12, Banatikla with 11. Sa koponan naman ng Meralco, nandyan si Wang with 15, Kainglet 13, Owano with 12.
Out of position, everybody from Meralco. At pinabla ni Soltones ang ating score, 16 all. Pero maganda din sa Meralco.